Hey guys, it's Polix here again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, before I say anything, please do well to subscribe, smash the like button and leave a comment. Today is Tuesday and it is the 11th of March 2025. Last week was a crazy week, a very crazy week. If you've not seen my last video, please do well to go watch it. It was a crazy week. A very crazy week. So last week I lost my $3,000 prop account. So right now I'm left with just my $10,000 prop. I've passed phase 1 and I'm trying to pass phase 2, and currently I am in drawdown. So this week I'm trying to get out of drawdown and scale up the profit margin a bit and hopefully pass phase 2, get funded and start getting payout. This morning I got into a trade on gold which hit my stop. This is a screenshot, or this is the image right here, which hit my stop, and I lost almost 1%. And later on I noticed that it was a fake out which I fell into because the market gold has been consolidating since last week. So when I noticed it was a fake out, I looked for an opportunity to buy the market, which is to stick to the trend. And so I am in the trade now on gold and I am in profit. So let me show you guys the trade. Come on. Okay, so as you can see, this is the trade on gold which I am in. I'm up in on the trades since here, and as you can see I'm targeting 1:2. The market has passed 1 ratio 1.5, so I have broken even. So this trade now is a loss free trade. So I've made back the loss I made this morning and I am up some extra profit on gold. So hopefully, I hope this trade smashes TP. If this trade smashes TP, I will be out of drawdown. So I just hope it smashes TP, so I'll be out of drawdown. And this is GBP USD, and this is what I am expecting on GBP USD, because I've seen that GBP USD is also consolidating. As you can see, this is a 1 hour time frame. So I've seen that is this mic on? Okay, it's on. So I've seen that GBP USD is also consolidating, but before GBP USD started consolidating, as you can see, it has been on a bullish trend. It has been buying. So I'm just waiting for the market to break out, and then I join to the buy side, or I will just wait for the market to come back. I'm just going to wait for the market to come back down to this support zone and then give me an opportunity to buy to this resistance. So that was what I am waiting for, and I don't think this will happen today. I think it's going to happen tomorrow, but nevertheless I am not shorting gold. I am never shorting gold. I am not selling gold, because I said gold, GBP USD. I am not selling GU. I'm just going to wait for an opportunity to buy GU. Why for gold? I'm just going to keep holding and hopefully it smashes my TP. Okay, so what made me enter the gold trade? You can see the fake out I was telling you about. So this was the fake out. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame so you can see. As you can see, gold, if you look at throughout this week, if you look at it, these candles were formed throughout last week. You will notice that gold was consolidating. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see. So you can see, look at this, is the consolidation. Gold has been consolidating, and the market broke out today, and I drew this trend line, and the market tapped on this trend line, and I thought the market was going to drop, and I entered for a sell. Then I realized the market stopped me out, and then I realized that okay, this market reacted off this support zone here, and as you can see, it gave a double bottom. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame so you can see very well. As you can see, it gave a double bottom here and here and this place, as you can see. So it gave this double bottom, and that's what is pushing this market up. So I just noticed this, and I just like, okay, I'm going to wait for another entry. So when the market broke my trend line, I waited for a retest on the trend line. As you can see, the retest here. So I waited for the retest on the trend, and I noticed this double rejection candles here, and I opted for the buy, and the market is moving. So these zones I marked here as zones that I'm looking that the market might reject from, and come down from. So if I notice any kind of rejections from any of these 3 zones, first zone has been passed. If I notice any sort of hesitation for the market to break any of this zone or this zone, then I will close, because I want to make sure that even though this market does not smash TP, I want to make sure that through this trade, I make back the losses I made earlier this morning today. So later on, I'm going to update you guys to let you guys know if the trade smashes TP or how the trade play out. So till then, catch you guys later. Peace. Okay guys, it's 2:15 p.m. and that trade, I'm out of the trade. Though the trade failed to hit TP, but I'm out of the trade. Remember I told you guys that I'm looking that the market might reverse from either this zone or the zone, and just as I predicted, the market reversed off the zone, as you can see. So when I noticed the reversal, I noticed that the market was hesitating. I felt kind of okay when I saw that the market pushed, but later when I saw this candle pushed, and I noticed that this market is about reversing. So I don't lose all the profits that I've made here already. I ended up closing and I secured some profit. I'll say I ended today in profit. Though this this trade, I still believe it will go up. I still believe it will continue in the original direction, but I decided to close because my main target, or my major target, was to recover the loss I made this morning. Every single profit or loss that I make matters, because I want to get out of drawdown. So hopefully, today was a good day. Today was a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow again. Peace. It's the 12th of March 2025. I just got back from the gym. I am so tired. Believe me, I'm so tired. I had to reluctantly set up my camera to make this video because I was like, I was so tired. But I don't want to keep you guys hanging. I had to do this, so I am here because of you guys. I've got good news. As of last year, I checked my weight. I don't know if you go and watch my first video, my first ever YouTube video. I told you guys that I want to start exercising, dieting, watch my weight, because I was weighing too much and I was getting fat. In fact, I was having a pot belly, like a pot belly. I could literally rest my hands on it. So I decided to I must get back in shape and all. So I started dieting, started going for morning jogging almost every morning and all. So as of last year, I was weighing, I think, 120 kg. I think between 115 to 120 kg plus. I was weighing too much. But today, I checked my weight at the gym and I found out that I had dropped some extra kilograms, or will I say extra ounce, and I checked and I noticed that I'm currently weighing 95 kg. As in, that means I have dropped about 40 kg, or I think that's about 30 to 40 kg, to which I have dropped. And this made my day. It shows that I am seeing improvement. My morning workout, diet, not eating whatever I want, is really paying off. It's really paying off. So if you are out there and you are thinking of beginning your workout, trying to get back in shape, you can do it. Because honestly, and my stomach is not that big anymore, and honestly, I will just keep pushing. Hopefully, by the end of the year, I want to see the difference. I want to see the difference between how I will look and compared to a picture of how I looked last year. So I'll keep you guys updated. I just got into a trade on GBP/USD. Today is CPI. We have CPI by, I think, by 1:30 today. But I don't like trading the news. So I saw this setup on GBP/USD and I went into it, and hopefully I just hope this trade goes fast, hit my TP before the CPI comes out. I just hope. So let me show you guys the setup. I marked out this zone since yesterday. because if you can see, honestly, GBP USD has been ranging. It's not anything for those of us who trade GBP USD. You can see that GBP USD has been trading. Also, gold too has been ranging, but I was able to catch a setup on gold yesterday despite it ranging. So GBP USD too has been ranging, but before now GBP USD has been bullish. So because I see that GBP USD has been bullish before now, I think it has more potentials to break out to the upper side. And then with my trend line, I know that the market has bounced on my trend line and all, so I marked this minor support zone yesterday, and the market came on the minor support zone this morning, and it formed a W pattern on the on that minor support zone. So I went into the trade, and I'm risking 1% as usual, though this market is formed on a resistance, but I took the trade because it met with my setup and my criteria. And what made me actually took the trade was because I noticed that the market has broken this resistance as at yesterday. So I felt like, okay, since when this market has broken this resistance yesterday, that means that this resistance is not really strong anymore, and there's a big likelihood, or there's a big probability that this market will, go to the upside. So hopefully it goes my way on God. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the trade plays out. Catch you guys later. Okay guys, it's Thursday, 13th of February 2025. Yesterday I took a trade on GBP USD, as you all know. This trade went, though I didn't give a result on the trade yesterday because I went out. Okay, so I'm letting you guys know how the trade went. Now the trade actually went up, as you can see on my screen. It went up just 5 pips to my TP. This trade reversed. And when I noticed that CPI was about being released, I had to adjust. I had to tighten my stop, to be on the safe side. So this trade went up, almost hit my TP, and then reversed and hit my break even, or will I say my stop loss, because I didn't break even. I only just reduced my risk. And I was like, this market is still going to go my way. So I just calmed down and I waited for the market to come to another level, and the market came to another level and gave me another opportunity to enter again. And I went in on the buy on GBP USD, and as you can see on my screen, the trade smashed TP. So I ended yesterday too in profit. So today, early this morning, London session, I took another trade because the time is about 4 p.m. right now. I took a trade on GBP USD this morning, a buy, and it hit my stop, so I lost that trade. And this afternoon, I noticed, I said, okay, I'm going to wait for a better entry on the GBP USD. The market got to my zone, as you can see on the screen, but it started going my way without even giving me any opportunity to go in, because I'm a price action trader. I always wait for the market to give me some chart patterns or some candlestick confirmations before I go in. So those my entry confluences, like the market met all my confluences except for my candlestick confirmation or chart patterns. It didn't give me any W pattern. It didn't give me any candlestick confirmation for me for it to show a sign that, okay, it is time for me to go into the market. So because of that, I missed that trade. I couldn't go in, and the market went my way. And so, but right now I'm currently on a trade on BTC. So this is the trade on my screen. So I'm currently on the trade on BTC. I just hope this market goes my way. If this market goes my way, I'm going to make back the loss I got this morning on GBP USD. So hopefully it goes my way. I'll let you guys know how the trade goes. So catch you guys later. It is Friday and it is the 14th of March 2025. The BTC trade I took yesterday went my way, though it didn't hit TP, but I closed immediately. I spotted a reversal, so I was able to make back a huge chunk of the loss I made on the GBP USD trade yesterday. I think, in fact, I would say yesterday I closed yesterday in break even, because I closed and the loss I made yesterday was just about $20 loss. So $20 in a $10,000 account is like close to break even. So I would say I closed yesterday in break even. So today, remember the GBP USD setup I told you guys about yesterday, which came to my support, unless you start giving me an opportunity to go in. Later today, this afternoon, the market came back to the same support, and it met all my confluences. The market was bullish. It came to a good support zone. It gave me my chart pattern, W pattern, which is one of my favorite entry charts entry confirmation. It gave me W pattern. It broke my neckline, as you can see on my screen, and I took the trade. So in fact, this setup, out of every setup I took this week, this setup was the best setup. Like, it was my A+ setup. But guess what? It hit my stop. Ah, gosh. See, the forex market is one crazy place. See, if you want to be a forex trader, you have to be ready. You have to be ready to see shaggy. Like, you have to be, see, every forex trader out, if you see, one of the major skill as a forex trader is to know how to handle disappointment, because the market will disappoint you to the extent that disappointment will become early morning tea for you. Like, out of every setup I took this week, today's setup, like the setup I took on GBP USD today, this afternoon, which was the only trade I took today, was my A+ setup. Like, it was the number one setup. It was a setup that checked all my confluences. Everything was checked. Everything I needed to check to enter a trade, my strategy, everything was checked. But this market hit my stop. Because of it was an A+ setup, I even risked 1.5%. Instead of 1%, I risked 1.5%, and this market hit my stop. And I was like, but it happens. So this week was a fair week. I ended this week at break even. This is my P&L for the week. So I ended the week with $20 in profit, which is break even. So this week I didn't lose, I didn't win, which, to be honest, is a good thing. It's a good thing. It's better than going further into drawdown. If I didn't take any trades this week, I would have been up. My balance would have been 9,008 something. I would just be looking for $200 to get out of the drawdown. But this trade that I took today, my A+ setup that I took today, really messed me up. But well, it is what it is. That is if you don't learn anything from this video, just learn this. Risk management is key. See, no matter how sure you are of that setup, no matter how sure you are of that trade, of that setup, that trade you want to take, like, make sure you still stick to your risk management. Don't say this setup is the best setup. I'm going all in, full margin. Body go tell you. Body go tell you. So please, no matter what, no matter how sure that trade is, make sure you stick to your risk management. Make sure you take that trade with the mindset of probability. That always have that probability mindset in you, that okay, yes, it's an A+ setup, all my confluences are checked, but what if this trade goes against me? Will I be able to, the amount I am risking will I be okay with it? So that is that for the week. So I hope next week smile on me. I hope next week becomes better. Last week was a bad week, this week a fair week. So hopefully next week will be a good week, 2 weeks time will be better, 3 weeks time will be best, hopefully. So see you again next week. Please make sure, if you're watching this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on that notification bell, turn on that bell, so that you will be the first to notify when I upload my videos. So till then, see you again next week. Bye.